Are you tired of working a job just to pay someone else to raise and nurture your children, and your job barely covers the cost of daycare? Imagine a life where you can spend every day with your family. Our community has helped hundreds of people just like you around the world realize that dream. We have created a proven automated business just for you. Okay, so we help people start a business that fits their busy lives. An online business for people with no experience and no technical skills. An online business without inventory or shipping. One that is automated and proven to make you money. Do you want to learn more? Click, tap, or visit our website and register for a free webinar. Your future is now.